Hello YouTube, it's your boy Master Cyclone from Team Darkside. I'm over here with Chocolate Rain and Voto Soccer in the back and Hero on the camera. Open up a pack for us, War of the Sparks Fat Pack, to see what we can get in it.
Yes, indeed.
What are you looking for in this box, man?
It comes with a lot of different Planeswalkers, so I'm super excited about the Planeswalkers.
Do I get the vampires?
If I get some, yeah.
Alright, give it.
It comes with a few, of course, there we go. Nico Bolas Dragon God. I'm really excited. I hope I get that one.
Yeah, he doesn't matter anymore. He's locked away.
He is. But I want the Dragon God. I want the Dragon God. I've been trying to. You also have Niv-Mizzet Reborn. Nixilus the Hate Twisted. So, let's see what we
pretty
can
good
get.
Stuff, basically. Mostly Planeswalkers.
So, y'all already know what the Fat Pack is. Standard Fat Pack. You got Liliana cute ass.
Yeah,
on
and
the
I
front.
get the dice. You get the basic dice.
You got basic dice, a bunch of lands. I know it's gonna have a full art land in there, so I'm always excited about that. Let's get down to the packs, because I know that's what everybody's here to see, especially me.
Alright. And where did you get this? And
I got this at Galaxy Gaming.
Yes,
they also sponsored this box for us. So make sure you guys come down here. Not to mention, we'll give the mat and everything. We'll tell y'all what's up with that in a little bit.
And at the end of the video, I will be announcing the winner of the giveaway. So stay tuned for that.
Alright. So I got Tails Light Shield, No Escape, Turret Ogre, Crunch Wrangler, Aid the Fallen, Pollen Blight Druid, Guild Globe, Chandra's Pyro Helix, Davriel Shadow Fuyugu, whatever, Wanderous Strike, Eternal Skylord, God Pharaoh Statue, Jang Yangu, Wild Crafter, Pathline 2, not bad, vehicle, Swamp, and a Defender Wall Token. Alright, Kashmina's Transmutation, Goblin Assault Team, Ironclad Crovad, Crunch Wrangler again, Thunder Giant, Totally Lost, Centaur Nurturer, Iron Bully, Erratic Visionary, Enforcer Griffin, Leyline Prowler, Heartwarming Redemption, Vraska Swarm's Eminence, Storev Devrakan Lich. Not mad at that one at all. Island and a Wizard.
Anarchy! Delivery Addies!
Nagal Eternal. Goblin Assailant. Loxodon Sergeant. Kaya's Ghost Form. Return to Nature. Shriek Diver. Snare Spinner. Prismite. Giant Growth. Merfolk Skydiver. Angroth Rampage. I got Nixilus to hate it. I actually wanted that one. I got God Eternal Bantu. So I did get one of the cards I wanted. I got the Nixilus. I got God Eternal Bantu. Super excited about that. Dusk Mantle Operative. A Plains and a Zombie Army. Next up, Bulwark Giant, Crush Descent, Invading Manticore, Gideon's Sacrifice. Oh wow. Gideon's dead. Forced Landing, Soren's Thirst. Hopefully we can get Crawl Stinger, Soren Vampire Opportunist, Giant Growth, Topple the Statue, Bleeding Edge, Tibalt's Rager, Bond of Flourishing, Nisa Who Shakes the World, a Forest, and a Devil Token. Blind Blast, Battlefield Promotion, Crush Descent, Chain While Cyclops, Vivian's Grizzly, Dusk Mantle Operative, Snare Spinner, Total Invasion, Wall of Ruins, Divine Arrow, Invade the City, Liliana's Triumph, Kaya, Bane of the Dead, not mad at her at all, Soul Diviner, a Mountain, and a Goblin. Naga Eternal, Raging Crunch, Battlefield Promotion, Steady Aim, Charity Extractor, Obnixilis Cruelty, Totally Lost, Law Rune Enforcer, Burning Prophet, Relentless Advance, Aces Triumph, Bond of Insight, Sahili Sublime Artificer, Mizium Tank, Mountain and Assassin. Martyr for the Cause, Conscientious Plan, Crawl Stinger, Another Vampire Opportunist, Defiant Strike, Mana Geode, Thunder Drake, Charmed Stray. I found a card for him right here.
What?
Charmed Stray Cat. Vraska's Finisher, Heartfire. Oh, that's actually not bad. Evolution Sage, Grateful Apparition, Flux Channeler, Sorin Vengeful Bloodlord, Forest, and Citizen. Teferi's Time Twist, on Crop Invader, Ward Scale Crocodile, Dusk Mantle Operative, Jaya's Greeting, Unlikely Aid, Aven Eternal, Sarkhan's Catharsis, Bloom Hulk, Sahili Silverwing, Eternal Skylord, Emergency Zone, Adrian Voice of the Pack, Atomic Distinguished Advocist, and Plain Soldier. So I got a few of them left. So let's see. Samut Sprint, Martyr for the Cause,
Literally, I can't read a card.
Primordial Worm. You read it.
Let me see. No, let me show you how it's done.
Demolish. Don't worry, I'll wait.
Lasustep Reaver. Lasutep Reaver.
Lazotep Reaver.
Yeah, that's it.
Law Rune
Lasutep
Enforcer.
Reaver.
Defiant Strike. I got one pack left. Mana Geode. Thunder Drake. Dread Horde Twins. Nisa's Triumph. Kiora Behemoth.
Did you say you're a
Neheb
behemoth? They
Dohort,
calling you fat?
Island, and a big ass cat for Copete.
Oh, yeah, you know he like them cats.
Last pack.
Any vampires on it?
A few. Martyr for the Cause. Naga Eternal. Goblin Assailant. Loxodon Sergeant. Claw Stinger, Opportunist, Steady Aim, Charity Extractor, Arlen's Wolf, Wall of Runes, Raptor, Liliana's Triumph, T-Bolt, Rakish, Instigator, Awakening of Vitu Ghazi, a Swamp, and a Zombie. That was our packs. We did not get Nico Bolas, but I did get some other Planeswalkers that I'm excited about. I got the ones some others I was looking for. So I am going to hopefully be putting them in the deck later. And I'm going to turn it over to Master Sign because I am all done.
Alright, guys. You gotta check out this playmat right here. Sorry about that. You gotta check out this playmat right here. It was also made by our one and only Duelist Kingdom HTX. Check them out. Like I've been saying, they have some of the best playmats. They also got playmats for different games, not just Yu-Gi-Oh. You should check them out on Instagram and also on Facebook. They will be having their YouTube channel up very soon, so stay tuned for that.
How about the gutter snipe?
Yeah, so we were just wanting to show you guys a beautiful playmat with all the hand traps. So don't forget to check them out. Don't forget to check them out. And this was Master Sai, Chocolate Rain.
Yep.
And for the moment you all been waiting for. Seriously, I got the worst cameraman ever, man. And like,
I'm looking at the playmat.
So, for the moment y'all been waiting for, the announcement of the winner of the box that we will be giving away. The winner is Turbo Blaze 100.
What do they win?
They won a box of any game that they choose. As long as don't bankrupt me though. They win one box of whatever game they choose. Of course, when I say choose, I mean Vanguard, Yu-Gi-Oh, or Magic.
No
and
buddy fight?
Pokemon. And Buddy Fight if you want to. You get one box. All you gotta do is PM me, let me know in our page what box you're looking for, and we'll get that to you.
Lucky them.
This was Master Sai, Voto Soccer, Chocolate Rain. Signing out, Dukes.